What's up, y'all? It's your girl Breezy Acrylics, and I'm back with another video. Whether you are new or returning, thank you so much for doing so. You are greatly appreciated. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 acrylic nail prep hacks. Let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and see what we'll need. First on our list is some isopropyl alcohol. This is 70%. I have paper towels here, but you can also use no-lint wipes. Your favorite brand of dehydrator and primer. Your e-file. I have a mini mandrel. It is 240 grit. A cuticle trimmer. A cuticle pusher. And I also have some nippers. I went ahead and just filed my nails down just a tad bit, just because they were a little bit longer than I would have liked. This step is completely optional. You can just shape them however you like. All right, so step 1 would be gently pushing back those cuticles. You're just lifting them off of the nail plate. I do not do this hard at all. You don't want to cause irritation. You see how that cuticle is falling off? That's what we need right there. We need that gone. And don't worry if you see more and you can't get it all the way off. We have measures for that. Second step is completely optional. Since I did gently push back my cuticles, I like to use my cuticle trimmer and go ahead and remove that cuticle. Now, when using this tool, I do recommend just being very gentle, be very careful, take your time with it, because if you do apply too much pressure, you can cut yourself or your client. This is very sharp. The skin is very sensitive. This step is really optional, but I'm going to go ahead and remove some of the skin that I see, the hangnails. Now for step 2, you're going to take your e-file, and I like to turn it on about a 3, and you're going to gently remove the shine from the nail plate. Always keeping it moving. You're removing any excess cuticle that was still there. Alright, so I went ahead and used my dust brush to remove any of the excess dust. That's going to lead us into step 3. I'm going to cleanse the nail with alcohol, and I'm going to just wipe the nail, cleansing it, removing any dust particles or anything that is left on the nail plate or on the cuticle. Going into step 4, we're going to take our dehydrator. You don't need too much. I like to wipe it on the side there, and you're going to gently put that on the nail. Gently put that on the nail. Make sure you're not touching the skin at all. You don't want to cause irritation. Now for step 5, taking a little bit of primer. Make sure I'm not touching any of the skin, but I like to rub it and get it into those cracks there. Alright, there you have it. Nails are fully prepped and ready for acrylic nail application. That concludes this video. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give me a like, drop me a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time that I post. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.